Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Land Cruiser versus Nissan Patrol. We'll explore how these two iconic SUVs stack up against each other. Both vehicles are renowned for their impressive off-road prowess and surprisingly luxurious interiors, making them top contenders in the full-size SUV segment. The Land Cruiser is celebrated for its legendary reliability and strong engine options, while the Patrol offers a powerful V8 or twin-turbo V6, promising an exciting driving experience. When it comes to performance, the Nissan Patrol often features a 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering 298 kilowatts of power and 560 newton-meters of torque. The Toyota Land Cruiser, on the other hand, typically comes with a 3.3-liter twin-turbo diesel V6, providing 227 kilowatts and a substantial 700 newton-meters of torque. Both vehicles boast a 3,500-kilogram towing capacity and are equipped with advanced four-wheel drive systems, ensuring excellent capability on diverse terrains. Inside, both SUVs offer a premium experience. The Nissan Patrol often includes a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen multimedia system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wireless charging. The Toyota Land Cruiser counters with features like quad-zone climate control and even heated and cooled rear outboard seats, providing exceptional comfort. Both vehicles offer generous interior space, though the Patrol frequently provides an 8-seat layout, making it a strong choice for larger families. Considering value and reliability, the Toyota Land Cruiser typically maintains a higher resale value and often boasts better fuel efficiency, especially with its diesel options. The Nissan Patrol, however, frequently comes with a lower initial purchase price and in some regions offers a more extensive warranty, such as a 10-year or 300,000-kilometer plan. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize long-term running costs and resale or upfront savings and a longer factory warranty. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.